ICD-10 JJ-10A, page 279, exercise 03. This is a level 2 exercise. It's a level 2 because it's not so clear. There are some things there that might confuse you, so be careful, okay? The problem reads like this.
Syphilitic epididymitis.
Syphilitic epididymitis, okay? Now we're going to count to 3 to give you time for you to pause the video and give us the ICD-10 code for syphilitic epididymitis. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is A52.76. You got it? Well, if you got it, then just go to the next video. If you didn't get it, let's give you a couple of tips. The first tip.
In tabular, although it does not say the exact terms, inflammatory is the meaning for the suffix itis.
Right. When you see inflammatory there, they're talking about something with itis because that's inflammation, right? Now, the second tip.
The fact that the epididymis is inflamed due to syphilis means it is a late syphilis. Late
syphilis means that it's not the initial contact, but the syphilis has been latent there, and then it has moved, so it's already in a tertiary state, or it is late syphilis because it is in the epididymis now, okay? Which means that it has traveled outside of the testes, right? Okay, now with these two tips, try to get the answer. You're aiming for A52.76, okay? So try to get the path to that. We're gonna pause the video in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna give you the whole summary. Okay, the whole summary. The problem is syphilitic epididymitis, right? And we ask you to give us the ICD-10 code for this. There's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
Then you go to epididymitis.
Epididymitis, right? Which is the main condition. And then?
Then you go to syphilitic.
Syphilitic, right? And you get what?
A52.76.
A52.76. Okay, now we're going to check this code in the tabular. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular. Then you go to A52.
A52, which is late syphilis, right? By the tips, remember that we told you it was late syphilis because it has traveled to the epididymis, which is outside of the main contact area. That was late syphilis. Okay, and then?
And then you go to A52.7, other.
Other, because the exact terms are not found in the previous ones, so we go to the other. That's why it's level 2. It's a little confusing this, but if you don't find the right terminology in the problem, you have to go to other. And then?
Then A52.76.
Which has something to do with inflammatory, and that's why we told you that itis is the term there that makes it valid, right? So the equal sign means?
That's right.
That's the right. So the answer is A52.76. Okay, any comments? Because this is a level 2, it's not as easy, it's not as straightforward. Any comments, just write them in the comment section. And we invite you to visit our website. Thanks for watching.